how to convert your profile as a Facebook page. You see, this is my Facebook profile. It's my previous profile. Now I am converting it to as a page. Open your profile area, then you can see the three dotted line. Press on three dotted line, then you can say turn on professional mode. If you don't see this option, just make sure you don't have lock your profile, unlock your profile, and then you can see turn on professional mode. Now press on turn on. Now simply complete the process. So and to make it as public, next, confirm, and star bonus subscription in Steam ads all I need. That's mean you can monetize your page. Press on next. Now frame you can skip it and go to professional dashboard. Now all ready. Now get 10 new followers, publish 5 new post, get. So uh, those actually no need. Now if you go back your profile, then you can see your profile is now is a as a page. If you go to see dashboard, now you can see all of your insight like your page. Even you can monetize your page as well with star and add on rails, etc. So that's it. So don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.